10 ways you might be ruining your iPhone. In today's digital age, our iPhones have become indispensable tools for communication, productivity, entertainment, and more. However, despite their advanced technology and durability, iPhones are not indestructible. Many users unknowingly engage in habits that can gradually damage their devices over time. Here are 10 common ways you might be ruining your iPhone, along with tips on how to avoid them. 1. Ignoring software updates. Failing to update your iPhone software can leave it vulnerable to security threats and performance issues. Always install the latest updates to ensure optimal functionality and protection against potential threats. 2. Overcharging your battery. Keeping your iPhone plugged in overnight or for extended periods can degrade the battery over time. Aim to charge your device only when necessary and avoid leaving it plugged in for prolonged periods. 3. Exposing it to extreme temperatures. Extreme heat or cold can adversely affect your iPhone's battery life and performance. Avoid exposing your device to temperatures outside the recommended range and never leave it in direct sunlight or a hot car. 4. Using unauthorized charging accessories. Using third-party chargers and cables that are not certified by Apple can damage your iPhone's battery and components. Stick to official Apple accessories or reputable third-party options that are certified for use with your device. 5. Ignoring proper storage. Storing your iPhone in pockets or bags with sharp objects or excessive pressure can lead to scratches, cracks, or internal damage. Invest in a protective case and handle your device with care to prevent unnecessary wear and tear. 6. Excessive multitasking. Running multiple apps simultaneously can strain your iPhone's processor and drain its battery more quickly. Close unnecessary apps and avoid overloading your device with too many tasks at once to preserve its performance and battery life. 7. Neglecting to clean your device. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate in your iPhone's ports, speakers, and buttons, potentially causing connectivity issues or audio problems. Regularly clean your device with a soft, lint-free cloth and avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. 8. Not using a screen protector. The iPhone's display is susceptible to scratches, smudges, and cracks from everyday use. Apply a high-quality screen protector to shield your device from damage and maintain its pristine appearance. 9. Disregarding water resistance ratings. While some iPhone models are water-resistant, they are not waterproof and can still be damaged by exposure to liquids. Avoid submerging your device in water or exposing it to moisture beyond its specified limits to prevent irreversible damage. 10. Ignoring signs of malfunction. If you notice any unusual behavior or performance issues with your iPhone, such as sudden crashes, overheating, or battery drain, address them promptly. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider to diagnose and resolve any underlying issues before they worsen. By being mindful of these common pitfalls and adopting good habits, you can prolong the lifespan of your iPhone and enjoy uninterrupted performance and functionality. Take care of your device, and it will continue to serve you well for years to come.